No beauty means no meaning. When I was tiny and afraid, I was told, "You are beautiful." Who knew these words would follow me as I bloomed? Just that now these words would make me gloom. Why? Because if my butt and boobs don't catch the world's eyes, I am not considered beautiful. So I came to learn this was all a lie. Eyes is all I see when I walk into the real world. Eyes that judge every single step I take. Is what I hear as I step into reality. Oh, why so many whispers, I wonder. And then remember, beauty isn't one of my qualities.
As I enter the room, thump 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 is all I can hear. The room so silent, I can hear the steady heartbeats of those thinking, "Ha, she ain't cute." My ears cover themselves and pretend that they didn't hear anything.
But it's too late.
I'm already wondering who would say such a thing. If only I was able to flush those words down the drain, but somehow these words are engraved in my brain. They replay in my head. How could these 5 simple words cut me? They're the knife and I'm the arm.
Negativity fills my mind like words on a book. Somehow my mind is a magnet. It manages to only collect insults. Idiot, irrelevant, inconceivable. I am not beautiful. What does being beautiful mean now that you've bloomed? Being beautiful means having pounds of makeup caked on your delicate face. You don't like makeup? Oh well, that's not the case. No makeup equals no beauty. No beauty means no meaning.
Better sweat to have that nice thin body and make it a hobby. You don't enjoy it? Who cares? You need a thigh gap, a flat tummy, a big butt. You need to get all those stairs. Would you like the glares? You feel uncomfortable? Oh well, who cares? No stairs equals no beauty. No beauty means no meaning.
Better show off all that skin. God gave it to you so you can show it off. Crop tops and high-waisted shorts are the answer. Dressing like a girl makes you beautiful. No skin equals no beauty. No beauty means no meaning. Stop. I am beautiful. Everyone and everything is beautiful. Beauty is being confident.
Being able to shine that smile.
Beauty is intelligence.
Beauty is being different.
Beauty is being yourself.
Beauty is being able to spread those wings.
Beauty isn't what's on the outside, it's what's on the inside. I am perfect just the way I am. I don't need any tocopherol acetate on my face to be beautiful.
I don't need that stupid thigh gap or get all those stairs to be beautiful.
I am beautiful with all of these qualities. You know why? Because everyone and everything is beautiful. There is no such thing as being ugly. So stop those words in your head and replace them with I am beautiful, nothing less. I will feel what I truly am. Beautiful. The 4% of girls that feel beautiful that feel beautiful is going up. Why? Because I as well feel beautiful. Thank you.